What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for quota hunts on FWC's website. Alright guys, it's November 2020 and November is the month that you can get on FWC's website and start applying for turkey quota hunts. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do, search for FWC. Go into Google and type FWC hunting. Type that. And let's do limited entry quota hunts right there. Alright, and then the next thing you're going to click on is the gooutdoorsflorida.com. And this website is where you're going to put in for all your quota hunts. This is where you're going to buy your license as well. So I'm going to go to returning. Alright, and then I'm going to do a login by my last four. Sorry, I can't share that with everybody. Alright, and then you're going to hit continue. You can purchase a new license. If you need to renew your license, you can go here and purchase one. But I'm going to click on apply for limited entry quota. Okay. And now I'm going to look for special opportunity spring turkey or quota spring turkey. Alright, and so the difference is quota spring turkey are usually free, and almost all the WMAs have a quota weekend, and it just basically gives you first dibs on that area. So that first 3 days of the turkey season, if you have a quota permit, you're going to be able to hunt. Other than that, and they're only going to give out so many. So like, for example, like Bull Creek, they'll give out 100 permits or whatever. That's for that weekend. After that weekend, it's open to the public, so there could be 500 hunters. So, alright, so we're going to click on quota spring turkey. I'm going to do it as an individual. And then you're just going to pick by choice. So you're going to do your preference. This is your first choice, second choice, and so on. So I like to hunt Tosahatchee. I shouldn't be giving these spots away. So I'm going to do Tosahatchee. And once you click on it, it'll show you the date right here that that hunt is for. So if you're like looking at your work calendar and you're like, I can't make that, then don't waste your time applying for it. Alright. So once you have all your stuff picked out by preference, you're just going to hit submit. Okay? It's going to show you like a total to check out, but you don't actually have to pay anything. Check these boxes, and then you're good to go. Just hit submit or complete purchase, and now you are entered into basically a lottery for these hunts. And in a couple weeks, sometime in December, they're going to announce the winners, and they'll send you email, and they'll also update on the website, and you can come and check and see which ones you won. So if you do draw a permit and you can't make it, make sure you return it, because then other people can use it, and you'll also get preference points in this lottery system. So if like I couldn't do the Camp Landing hunt because of work, I returned it, and then they gave me preference points, and those preference points give you basically like an extra chance at getting drawn for the next hunt. So definitely worth returning them. Don't just hoard them. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Definitely take advantage of these quota hunts. Best time to get out there is beginning of the season before all the other hunters stink it up. And these quota hunts are the best way to do it. And most of them are free, so take advantage of it. So that's all I got. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys at the next video. Thank you.